Good morning and welcome to SULSEL Update in English with me, Rasni Gani. I'm bringing you to the latest news update from South Sulawesi, covering information of economic, politics, education, and lifestyle. And here are some of the stories making the headline this morning. Residences' houses were forcibly destroyed after the accused didn't choose a candidate for village head. This incident happened in Panjang Hamlet, Palajau Village, Jeneponto Regency this Wednesday. The candidate for the village head is relative of the land's owner. One of the victims, Ida, was so sure chose a candidate as the landowner wished. Ida has asked for a week not to demolish her house. She will hold a circumcision ceremony next week. However, the landowner persisted in demolishing the house.
Ya, Bu, ini calon yang punya tanah itu, dia mengetahui bahwasanya kita tidak memilih dia atau seperti apa? Atau ada informasi ke dia bahwasanya kita tidak memilih dia? Ada nih. Padahal kita pilih dia.
Before the election, the landowner had asked to follow the candidate he would choose. However, because he lost during the election, Ida was told to leave his place. After the house was demolished, Ida admitted that she was confused about where to stay for a while. Ida admitted that he lived on the land belonging to the candidate for the village head for 20 years. In the other place, 23 houses will be demolished because the landowner brother lost in the election. Now moving on to the next top story. During the harvest in Pinrang district, the descendants of Adatuang Sawito Kingdom held a cleaning ceremony of the heirlooms. Harvest in Pinrang, the region attend cleaning Royal Adatuang Sawito relics ceremony. The highlight event called Macera Arajang was held on Jalan Landak, Lerang-Lerang Sub-District, Pinrang District this Monday. This program is also an effort to preserve culture. Macera Arajang is also a gathering place among the descendants of Adatuang Sawito who are widely scattered and settled outside Pinrang Regency. Macera Arajang itself is the cleaning the relics of the kings such as knife, teapots, and other sacred objects.
Inilah pusaka yang dipakai pada
mengelindungi kita pada acara ini sebagai bukti bahwa kita melaksanakan acara di tempat ini penuh kedamaian, penuh ketentraman. Mudah-mudahan barang kaki nalim barakah Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
The event was attended by the region of Pinrang, Andi Irwan Hamid. Andi Irwan said that the culture preservation is important agenda. It's remind the younger generation of their origins. He expressed his appreciation to Adatuang Sawito who continues to preserve customs. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com or watching our YouTube channel Tribun Timur, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you for watching. This has been Rasni Gani.